Hi! In front of me is REALME 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use autocorrection on this REALME. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Auto-Rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that autocorrection is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same icon again. If you want to, you can always go into settings instead, tap on display and brightness, scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to auto rotate to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!